Self-confidence is the belief in your own abilities and judgment. It's not about being perfect or never making mistakes, but about trusting yourself to handle whatever comes your way. People with self-confidence tend to approach challenges with a positive attitude, try new things, and recover from setbacks more easily. In this video, we'll explore practical ways to build and strengthen your self-confidence, starting from understanding what it really means. Let's begin by looking at why self-confidence matters in everyday life and how it can impact your relationships, career, and personal growth. Confidence plays a crucial role in almost every aspect of our lives. It affects how we interact with others, how we perform at work or school, and even how we view ourselves. When you're confident, you're more likely to take risks, pursue opportunities, and bounce back from failures. On the other hand, a lack of confidence can hold you back from reaching your full potential. Understanding the importance of self-confidence is the first step toward building it. Let's explore how confidence can shape your daily experiences and long-term success. Before you can build confidence, it's important to recognize the signs of self-doubt. Self-doubt often shows up as negative self-talk, hesitation to try new things, or fear of failure. These feelings are normal, but if left unchecked, they can prevent you from growing. By becoming aware of your self-doubt, you can start to challenge it and replace it with more supportive thoughts. Let's look at some common ways self-doubt appears and how you can begin to address it. One of the most effective ways to build self-confidence is to challenge your negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking you're not good enough or that you'll fail, pause and ask if those thoughts are really true. Often, our minds exaggerate our weaknesses and overlook our strengths. Try to reframe negative thoughts into more balanced, realistic ones. For example, instead of saying, "I can't do this," try, "I'll give it my best shot." Over time, this shift in thinking can make a big difference. Setting small, achievable goals is a powerful way to build confidence. When you accomplish something, no matter how minor, it gives you a sense of progress and boosts your belief in yourself. Start with simple tasks and gradually take on bigger challenges as your confidence grows. Celebrate your successes along the way, and remember that every step forward counts. Let's explore how breaking down your goals can make them more manageable and help you build momentum. Keeping track of your progress is essential for building self-confidence. When you see how far you've come, it's easier to believe in your ability to keep improving. Use a journal, an app, or even a simple checklist to record your achievements and reflect on your growth. This habit helps you stay motivated and reminds you of your strengths, especially during tough times. Let's look at some practical ways to monitor your progress and stay on track. Being kind to yourself is a key part of building confidence. Everyone makes mistakes and faces setbacks, but how you respond to them matters. Instead of criticizing yourself, try to treat yourself with the same understanding and encouragement you'd offer a friend. Self-compassion helps you bounce back from failures and keeps your confidence intact. Let's discuss ways to practice self-compassion in your daily life and why it's so important for personal growth. Everyone has unique strengths and talents. Recognizing and embracing what you're good at can give your confidence a real boost. Take time to list your skills, achievements, and qualities that make you proud. Focus on these strengths when you face challenges and remind yourself of your capabilities. By celebrating what makes you unique, you'll find it easier to believe in yourself and take on new opportunities. Failure is a natural part of growth, and learning from it is essential for building confidence. Instead of seeing failure as a sign of weakness, view it as an opportunity to learn and improve. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your approach, and try again. Each setback is a chance to become stronger and more resilient. Let's explore how to turn failures into valuable lessons that support your confidence journey. Growth happens when you push yourself beyond what feels comfortable. Stepping out of your comfort zone can be scary, but it's a powerful way to build confidence. Start with small challenges and gradually take on bigger ones. Each time you try something new, you prove to yourself that you're capable of more than you thought. Let's talk about practical ways to expand your comfort zone and embrace new experiences. Visualization is a powerful tool for building confidence. Take a few minutes each day to imagine yourself succeeding at your goals. Picture the steps you'll take and the positive feelings you'll experience. This mental practice can help you feel more prepared and confident when facing real-life challenges. Let's explore how visualization works and how you can use it to boost your self-belief. The way you talk to yourself has a big impact on your confidence. Replace harsh criticism with encouraging words. Remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. Positive self-talk can help you stay motivated and focused, especially when facing challenges. Let's look at some examples of positive affirmations and how to make them a regular part of your routine. Your body language can influence how you feel about yourself and how others perceive you. Standing tall, making eye contact, and smiling can all boost your confidence. Even when you don't feel confident, adopting positive body language can help you start to feel more self-assured. Let's discuss some simple changes you can make to your posture and gestures to project confidence. The way you dress can have a significant impact on your confidence. Wearing clothes that make you feel comfortable and put together can boost your self-esteem and help you approach situations with more assurance. It's not about following trends, but about choosing outfits that reflect your personality and make you feel good. Let's explore how your appearance can influence your mindset and confidence. The people you spend time with can greatly influence your confidence. Surround yourself with supportive friends, family, and mentors who encourage you and believe in your potential. Positive relationships can help you stay motivated and remind you of your strengths. Let's talk about the importance of a strong support system and how to build one. Just as positive people can lift you up, negative influences can bring you down. Pay attention to relationships or environments that drain your confidence. It's okay to set boundaries and distance yourself from negativity. Protecting your self-esteem is an important part of building lasting confidence. Let's explore strategies for managing negative influences in your life. Assertiveness is the ability to express your thoughts, feelings, and needs clearly and respectfully. Being assertive helps you stand up for yourself and communicate with confidence. Practice saying no when necessary and expressing your opinions honestly. Assertiveness can improve your relationships and boost your self-respect. Let's discuss practical ways to develop assertiveness in your daily interactions. Learning something new can be a great confidence booster. Whether it's a hobby, a professional skill, or a personal interest, gaining new knowledge shows you that you're capable of growth. Start with something you're curious about and enjoy the process of learning. Each new skill you master adds to your sense of accomplishment and self-belief. It's easy to overlook small achievements, but celebrating them is important for building confidence. Every step forward, no matter how minor, deserves recognition. Take time to acknowledge your progress and reward yourself for your efforts. This positive reinforcement helps you stay motivated and reminds you that you're moving in the right direction. Many people struggle to accept compliments, but learning to do so can boost your confidence. When someone praises you, try to accept it graciously instead of brushing it off. Allow yourself to feel proud of your strengths and achievements. Accepting compliments helps reinforce your self-worth and encourages a positive self-image. Helping others can also boost your confidence. When you support someone else, you're reminded of your own abilities and value. Acts of kindness, volunteering, or simply offering a listening ear can make a big difference. Not only does it benefit others, but it also strengthens your sense of purpose and self-worth. Physical health and self-confidence are closely linked. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and enough sleep can all improve your mood and energy levels. When you feel good physically, it's easier to feel confident mentally. Let's discuss some simple ways to take care of your body and support your overall well-being. Stress can take a toll on your confidence. Learning to manage stress through relaxation techniques, mindfulness, or hobbies can help you stay calm and focused. When you're less stressed, you're better able to handle challenges and maintain a positive outlook. Let's explore some effective ways to reduce stress and protect your confidence. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities can improve with effort and learning. Embracing this mindset helps you see challenges as opportunities rather than threats. When you believe you can grow, you're more likely to take risks and persist through difficulties. Let's discuss how to develop a growth mindset and why it's essential for building lasting confidence. Fear is a natural emotion, but it doesn't have to control your actions. Facing your fears, even in small ways, can help you build confidence and reduce anxiety. Start by identifying what you're afraid of and take gradual steps to confront it. Each time you overcome a fear, you prove to yourself that you're stronger than you think. Preparation can make a big difference in how confident you feel. Whether it's a presentation, an interview, or a new experience, taking time to prepare helps you feel more in control. Practice, research, and planning can all boost your confidence and reduce nerves. Let's look at some strategies for preparing effectively and facing challenges with assurance. Looking back on your past achievements can remind you of your capabilities and boost your confidence. Make a list of moments when you overcame challenges or accomplished something meaningful. Reflecting on these successes helps you see that you're capable of handling new obstacles. Let's explore how to use your past as a source of strength. Comparing yourself to others can undermine your confidence. Remember that everyone's journey is unique, and it's more important to focus on your own progress. When you catch yourself making comparisons, shift your attention back to your goals and achievements. Let's discuss how to break the habit of comparison and celebrate your individuality. Gratitude can shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. Regularly acknowledging the positive aspects of your life can improve your mood and self-confidence. Try keeping a gratitude journal or simply taking a moment each day to reflect on things you're thankful for. This practice can help you maintain a positive outlook and appreciate your progress. Affirmations are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome self-doubt. Repeating affirmations daily can reinforce your belief in yourself and your abilities. Choose statements that resonate with you, such as "I am capable" or "I deserve success." Let's explore how to create and use affirmations effectively. Constructive feedback can help you grow and improve. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from people you trust. Use their insights to identify areas for growth and celebrate your strengths. Remember, feedback is a tool for learning, not a judgment of your worth. Let's discuss how to seek and use feedback to build confidence. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. Practicing mindfulness can help you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings, making it easier to manage self-doubt. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or mindful walking can all support your confidence journey. Let's explore how mindfulness can help you stay grounded and positive. Setting healthy boundaries is essential for protecting your confidence. Learn to say no to requests or situations that drain your energy or undermine your self-worth. Boundaries help you prioritize your needs and maintain a positive self-image. Let's discuss how to set and maintain boundaries in your personal and professional life. Building confidence is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but persistence is key. Keep working towards your goals, even when progress feels slow. Each effort brings you closer to lasting confidence. Let's talk about the importance of persistence and how to stay motivated through challenges. Perfectionism can hold you back from building confidence. It's important to accept that mistakes are part of learning and growth. Focus on progress, not perfection, and be gentle with yourself when things don't go as planned. Let's explore how to let go of perfectionism and embrace a more balanced approach. Role models can inspire you and show you what's possible. Look for people who demonstrate the confidence and qualities you admire. Learn from their experiences and let their stories motivate you to keep growing. Remember, you can also be a role model for others by sharing your journey. Curiosity leads to growth and new experiences. Stay open to learning and exploring new ideas. When you approach life with curiosity, you're more likely to take risks and discover your strengths. Let's discuss how staying curious can help you build confidence and enjoy the journey. Self-care is about taking time to nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Regular self-care routines can help you feel more balanced and confident. Whether it's reading, spending time in nature, or enjoying a hobby, make self-care a priority. Let's explore different ways to practice self-care and support your confidence. Social media can sometimes undermine your confidence by encouraging comparisons and unrealistic expectations. Set healthy limits on your social media use and focus on real-life connections. Remember, what you see online is often just a highlight reel, not the full story. Let's discuss how to use social media mindfully and protect your self-esteem. Authenticity is a key part of self-confidence. Stay true to your values, beliefs, and interests, even if they're different from others. When you live authentically, you build trust in yourself and attract people who appreciate you for who you are. Let's explore how to embrace your true self and strengthen your confidence. Continuous learning keeps your mind active and your confidence growing. Stay open to new knowledge, skills, and experiences. The more you learn, the more capable and confident you'll feel. Let's discuss the benefits of lifelong learning and how it supports your confidence journey. Having a sense of purpose can give your confidence a strong foundation. Reflect on what matters most to you and what you want to contribute to the world. When you have a clear sense of direction, it's easier to stay motivated and confident even when facing setbacks. Let's explore how to discover your purpose and use it to fuel your confidence. Flexibility helps you adapt to change and handle setbacks with confidence. Life is unpredictable, and being able to adjust your plans can make you more resilient. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth rather than a threat. Let's discuss how to stay flexible and confident in the face of uncertainty. Regularly reviewing your progress and reflecting on your journey helps you stay focused and confident. Take time to assess what's working, what needs adjustment, and how far you've come. Reflection allows you to celebrate your achievements and learn from your experiences. Let's explore how to make reflection a regular part of your confidence-building routine. Building self-confidence is an ongoing process. There will be ups and downs, but every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Remember to be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Confidence grows with practice, persistence, and self-compassion. Keep believing in yourself, and you'll continue to thrive.